In this video, I want to give you a little highlight reel on NSX and explain some of the core components that make up a typical deployment. NSX stands for Network and Security Extension. It's a software-defined data center solution that aims to provide technologies like network virtualization, microsegmentation, and enhanced security features like IPS and IDS to protect your workloads. To get NSX deployed, you'll need just a VMware environment running vSphere. This is where NSX will integrate naturally into your existing environment. When you deploy NSX, you'll get a bunch of managers, some local, some global, which is where you'll spend most of your time when deploying your virtual networks and those security features, like I said before, firewalling, IPS, IDS. I'll show you quickly. I'll log into my global manager. And you'll see very quickly, you've got some easy to use tabs where you'll find all your networking configuration and all your security configuration as well. Now for this little demo, I want to create a segment or a new network in our environment and show you how it syncs across to vSphere and to the edge node as well. So very simply, I click on my network tab, I go into segments, I select add segment. From here, I give my network or segment a name. We'll call it 10.200.1.0_24. I'll give it my connected gateway or that edge node, this one here. I'll give it the transport zone or that VRF, this one here. And the gateway will be 10.200.1.1/24. From there, I'll go down and press save. Now, there are a heap of other settings in there that I won't configure now. I'll just keep it very simple. We can see that it's been successfully created. We'll select no to continuing. The segment's been built successfully. If I go into vSphere now, I should see my network there. That's fantastic. You'll see it's got an N in front of the little logo here. That stands for it's an NSX network. I've got a VNI, which is my VXLAN VNI number, and it's got the associated transport zone and then a link to the NSX manager. So from vSphere, you can go into any one of these networks. And if you've got multiple NSX managers, you can actually go from here and figure out which one's related and log into that manager and make any changes or review stuff that you need to. Now that it's in vSphere and it's in NSX, we can go into the edge router now, or edge node, I should say. And like I said before, it's all based on VRFs. So we'll have a look at which VRF. I want to use VRF3. We'll go here. I can do a get forwarding command that should show me my forwarding table. And I can see my 10.200. I can see my gateway here that I've built, and I can see the segment or the network that I've built here with the appropriate UUID. Now, just like a regular router that you would use, I can always type in the network as well, /24, and I can see that in a more just a granular manner. And there you have it. So building networks in NSX using all its virtualization features isn't as hard as it looks on paper. It's rather intuitive and simple. Besides that, there's heaps of other features that work in NSX, and this might take me a couple of videos to cover. So for now, I hope you appreciated that, and we'll be back to talk about more about NSX soon. Thanks.